What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to share my latest purchase from Proclamation jewelry. This will be the skull clasp, which I'll be installing in my 5mm Prism Cup Franco from Saints Gold Co. This piece is also from Proclamation jewelry. This is an 18 karat Carpe Diem pendant, large. And the chain is 14 karat, but it shines like if it's 18 karat as well. So let me get back to this. If you go into their websites or if you hit up Nick, he's gonna be able to give you more information on this, but I have never seen it on any of the YouTube videos, so I wanted to show you this before I get it installed. This is the 5mm. As you can see, it's a two-sided skull, 14 karat rose gold, so it matches nice with my cute pendants from Saints Gold Co. Has a beautiful snake clasp with a diamond in the middle. Later on, I'm gonna measure it for you and write it down in the comments what the measurements are. Because what happens is that once it's installed here, none of the pendants are gonna come out. This is probably like I'll say 8mm wide, so the skull pendants goes in, but the cube pendants won't. So once it's in there, it just ain't coming out. So as you can see, it has the holes in the back so the chain can fit in nicely, and I guess it has to be welded in after that. I gotta take it to my local jeweler. Proclamation does it themselves as well, but I just feel like there's too much money for me to just send this piece. I mean, this right here is about $11,000, so I wasn't gonna risk that. But yeah. Okay, let me show you my other piece. I don't have my other chain, but this is a 7mm dragon clasp, 14 karat and yellow gold. Let's see, this piece is huge. This one weighs about 9.5 grams. This baby right here weighs about 14, 12, at least 12. I haven't checked the papers, I can't remember, but beautiful piece as well. This is flat from the back or from the bottom, but it has a bigger diamond in the middle, BVS. Beautiful clasp as well. Amazing details. Same thing, I'm gonna give you the dimensions on this item as well, because it's a huge difference between the 5 and the 7. So yeah, guys, once I get it installed on this one, I'm gonna show you guys the end results. So just stay tuned for my next video, and I hope you like it. I know that there's not a single video where it shows you this, so I decided to make one for you guys, just in case you guys want to upgrade your clasp. You got somewhere to look at it and what you want to buy. They also got more styles, so just make sure you hit up Nick and he'll give you more information on it. Rose gold, 14 karat, yellow gold, 14 karat.